Hi friends, welcome to my simple Indian recipes. In this video we'll see the recipe to make Matar Kachori. In winters when you see green peas everywhere, this makes for a very tasty recipe from green peas, that is Matar Kachori. It tastes great along with tea or even with green chutney and sweet chutney. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and press the notification bell for more such videos. Let's quickly get started. For this recipe, I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. Add the salt as per taste. Now I am adding 4 tablespoons of oil for 2 cups of maida. You can add oil or ghee. Adding oil or ghee ensures that you get the flaky texture or the crispy texture for the kachoris. You have to rub the oil through the flour. You can see how I am doing. Rub the oil through the flour by using your fingers, as you can see now. This short crust method ensures that the oil is rightly incorporated in the flour. You have to rub the oil along with the flour till you get a breadcrumb texture, and also when you hold the flour it should be able to hold its shape. You can see how I am doing now. It should be able to hold its shape. This ensures that the oil is rightly incorporated. Now you can add the water little by little and make it into a stiff and soft dough. I am adding water little by little and making the dough. Make sure that you knead the dough for about 6 to 7 minutes. The dough is too stiff. I am adding little more water to make sure that it is little soft, and I am kneading the dough. Now that soft dough is ready. Now we will close it and keep it aside for about 30 minutes. This ensures that the gluten is activated. Now for making the filling for the Matar Kachori, I have taken 1 cup of green peas, fresh green peas, an inch piece of ginger, 1 green chilli. Now we will grind this to a coarse mixture. You can see that I have grinded it to a coarse mixture. Don't add water. There should be very less moisture in this. Otherwise the kachoris might break if there is moisture. The kachoris needs to have the right masala. Masala is what makes the kachori tasty. So for this I have taken hing or asafoetida. I have taken half a teaspoon of chaat masala, or you can also take amchur powder, 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sauf, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is the masala which we are going to add for the green peas mixture. So first to a pan we have added 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, I am adding 1 teaspoon of jeera. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of sauf. Now I am adding 3 to 4 pinches of asafoetida or hing. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of besan which we had taken. Fry the besan with the oil just for a minute or 2 till the raw smell goes. Later we are going to add the mixture of matar, that is the green peas mixture which we had grinded along with the chilies and the ginger. Fry them for 2 minutes. Now we are adding the masala. I am adding the coriander powder or dhania powder. I am adding the salt. I am adding the chaat masala, the red chili powder. You can see the quantities in the description box. Now I am adding the turmeric powder. I am adding the garam masala powder. It is always the masalas which makes the kachori tasty. Make sure you add all the masalas. Now we are going to mix it and we are going to fry it for a minute or 2. Since the kachoris gets fried in the oil on the low flame, anyways the filling will also get fried. So you have to fry this filling for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can see that the filling is ready. I have let it cool down. Now I am going to make balls from this filling so that it is easy for me to make the kachoris. You can see that after cooling down I am making the balls from this mixture. Similarly I made all the other balls. I have made 6 balls from the green peas mixture. Now we are kneading the dough which we have rested for 30 minutes. Now you can see that the dough is really smooth and soft. Now we are making balls from this dough. Now we have made 6 balls from this dough. And also the filling for the kachori is also ready. Now let us make the kachori. So for this, first I am kneading the dough. You just have to flatten it. Make sure that the center is little thick. From the sides you can just flatten it. You can see how I am rolling the dough, just to make sure that it is soft and there are no cracks in the kachori. Now I have flattened the dough. Now let us fill the kachori mixture in the dough and we will seal the edges. You can see that I am pressing the kachori mixture from my thumb and I am sealing the edges. This is how you make the kachori. You can pinch off the excess or you can just press it. Now you can see that I am pressing the kachori from my palm. Make sure that the mixture is evenly distributed across the kachori. You can even roll out the kachoris, but you have to make sure that the kachoris are like ½ inch thick. This ensures the kachoris to puff up easily. I have flattened it by my palm and I am pressing the edges. You can see, keep the center little thick and press the edges. Now you can see that our kachoris are ready. Similarly, we made all the other kachoris. Now the next step is to fry the kachoris. Never cook the kachoris in the hot oil, otherwise you will see lot of bubbles on the kachori. Whether it is kachori or samosa, you have to make sure that you cook it on the oil which is low to medium hot, and you have to cook it in low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see that after 15 minutes our kachori is ready. It is really crispy and flaky, like how you want it to be. It is really crispy and flaky. The major things in making this Matar kachori is you have to make sure that there is enough oil which is incorporated in the flour, that is through short crust method. And the second thing is you have to fry it on low flame for about 15 minutes. Now you can see that the Matar kachori is ready, and you can see like when I break it, it is really kasta and also the really puffy. Enjoy this tasty kachori along with the green chutney and the sweet chutney, or even with the tea. It tastes amazing. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. Like, share and comment. Thank you for watching the video.